I'm sure we all use AI to write at least a little bit of text in our lives. However, with the help of some tweaking and tuning, we can make your AI-generated copy sound like it was made by a seasoned veteran copywriter. Hey, I'm Adam, the AI evangelist at nexos.ai. And today, you'll learn how to build an AI assistant that will act like the best social media teammate you ever had. Assistants can support virtually any team or task. But for this specific use case, let's focus on social media content creation for your company's next Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, or any other website post. To that, I'll open Nexos.ai Workspace and navigate to Assistants. Then I'll click Add Assistant. I'll customize the social media assistant with the rules and behaviors it will always follow. The most important part here is the instructions window. It's the core of the assistant. I'll split the instructions in a couple of sections. Some rules, some constraints, and some formatting instructions. I'll start with the persona, a senior copywriter working at a software-as-a-service company that creates posts for LinkedIn. Then I will follow up with the task description that sets some ground rules. Finally, I will finish with some constraints that make sure that the copy doesn't sound too artificial. Before I proceed, I'll make sure to enable web search. I want the AI assistant to be caught up on all recent events. Once all that's done, I'll provide the AI assistant with some knowledge. This is where I usually provide it with PR guidelines or some tone of voice documents. Additionally, it's a great idea to put some kind of prior post examples in here, or perhaps some kind of accounts you take inspirations from. To that, I'll create a new project, name it accordingly, and then upload all relevant documents. Then I can return to my assistant, select the copywriter project from the dropdown, and hit save. Another great thing to do here is to select how creative the assistant should be and how strongly it should adhere to the provided context. Usually for content creation, it's better to give the AI assistant a little more freedom. Now let's test it. Conveniently, I can do that without even saving it. Additionally, I can adjust the creativity level to suit my writing style a lot better. The assistant will pull the information from the provided documents, so the tone of voice should stay the same with each generated document. This means that I can rely on the assistant to output consistent and accurate copy so that every single post is on brand. And the best part, I can just share this assistant with the whole marketing team, so nobody needs to reinvent the AI prompts or build the whole process from scratch. So that's Nexos.ai. You build it once and then use it as your body for all AI tasks. You can define clear roles, ground in your company's knowledge, and deliver consistent and compliant copy every time. So how would you use assistants?